Good morning and welcome to e-learning classes of St. Michael's Academy, Bettiya. Students, myself Dr. Janand, and we have the topic concept of depreciation and depreciation reserve fund. It is the next part of this topics. In the previous part, in the video 11, we studied about the depreciation. That depreciation refers to the loss of the value of the fixed assets or the capital goods while these are being continuously used in the process of production. There are three components of the depreciation: normal wear and tear, accidental damages, and expected obsolescence. We also studied that expected obsolescence has two parts: change in technology and change in demand. Now we have to discuss that only expected obsolescence is a part of depreciation along with normal wear and tear and accidental damages. Unexpected obsolescence is not a part of depreciation. Unexpected obsolescence is not a part of depreciation. Then we have to discuss what is the unexpected obsolescence. Unexpected obsolescence. Unexpected obsolescence is not a part of depreciation. Then we also have to make a proper difference between the expected obsolescence and unexpected obsolescence, so that we can conclude that what we can include in the depreciation or what should not be included. Unexpected obsolescence has two components. Unexpected obsolescence has two components. Unexpected obsolescence refers to the fall in the value of the fixed assets due to the natural calamities and fall in the market value of the fixed assets or capital goods due to the economic recessions. Due to the economic recessions. It is not a part of the depreciation. What it includes? It refers to fall in the value of capital goods due to first natural calamities. Natural calamities. Suppose the capital goods or machines becomes damages or destroyed due to the fire, earthquake, flood, then it is the unexpected obsolescence. The fall in the value of the fixed assets due to these things, fire, flood or other natural calamities, is the example of the unexpected obsolescence. Natural calamities, example: fire, floods, etc. Earthquake, etc. And the second, fall in the market value. Fall in the market value. Fall in the market value capital goods are fixed assets due to economic recession. Due to the economic recession is the example of the unexpected obsolescence. We take the example. During this lockdown of COVID-19, there is a worldwide economic recession. Investment has reduced. Production, sale, purchase have reduced. And due to it, the market value of the capital goods have also reduced. This is the example of the unexpected obsolescence. And unexpected obsolescence is not a part of the depreciation. It is called the fall in the value or loss of the value of the capital goods due to the unexpected obsolescence is not called depreciation. It is called capital loss. It is called capital loss. Capital loss. Now you understand what is the capital loss? Here capital loss refers to the fall in the value or loss of the value of the fixed assets or the capital goods due to this unexpected obsolescence. That is when the value of the fixed assets losses declines due to the natural calamities like flood, fire, earthquake, etc. or due to the economic recession. It is called capital loss. Now watch the next video for the difference between the capital loss and depreciation and to understand what is the depreciation reserve funds. Here one thing is that unexpected obsolescence is managed by the producer by the insurance, not the depreciation reserve fund. We will discuss in the next video. Watch the next video.